Hello, welcome to the Mini Orange. In this video we will configure the profile mapping feature of OAuth client module. This feature allows mapping attributes received from the OAuth provider to the fields of the profile module. To configure this feature, you need to download and install the profile module first. You will find the download link of profile module in the module. Let's begin with the configuration of the profile module. After installing the module, navigate to the Configuration tab. Click on the Profile Types under the People section. Click the Add Profile Type button. Enter the label in the Label text field, which is mandatory. Scroll down and click on Save button. Now, click on Manage Field button and then click on Create a New Field button. Select Plain Text in the Choose a Type of Field pop-up. Enter the label in the Label text field, for example, Secondary Email, then select Text, Plain, and then click the Continue button. Enter the maximum length and allowed number of values. If you want to make mandatory field, then check the checkbox of the required field. Check this as a private field checkbox, make field private, and check Set Default Value checkbox to set default value for this field. Click the Save button. Now, let's configure the profile mapping feature. Navigate to the Profile Mapping tab. Check the Enable Profile Mapping checkbox. It is mandatory to configure the profile mapping. Profile type. The profile type dropdown gives you the types of profiles that you have created in the Drupal site. For example, additional contact info. Select the profile as per your use case and click the Save button. Now, profile attribute mapping. Drupal Profile field. In this step, you will find the profile fields that you have created in the dropdown list. Select the desired field from the dropdown. Here, we select the field Secondary Email. OAuth Server attribute name. In this text field, enter the attribute name that you want to map. Then, click the Save button. Now, let's see how this feature works. Navigate to the Drupal site login page and click on the provider link to log in Drupal site. In this video, for example, Microsoft Entra ID. After the successful SSO, you can see the additional contact info tab and click on that. You can see the email address of the user. You have successfully configured the profile mapping feature. Experience a full-featured 7-day trial to explore our OAuth client module as per your use case. Request the trial by emailing us at drupalsupport@securify.com. Thank you for watching.